Guys, how are you guys doing? Today is another beautiful day that I'm going to review to you the best brightening product to use. If you're fair, if you're dark, I have products that I'm going to show you right in my shop. If we are entering Xmas already, we just have few weeks now to Xmas, and let me tell you, this is not the season for dull skin at all. This is the time your skin must glow, must shine, must pop, because December picture don't lie. You guys know what I'm saying. And honestly, this is not the time to waste your money buying different creams, testing on your skin to know which one will brighten you. And if your skin is not bright, glowing, clean and fresh, you need to drop that cream you are using immediately. Okay guys, I've reached my shop already, so let me show you guys the product, and please watch this video to the end for you to get the exact product that will work on your skin this time. So this is the Skeenpoint body lotions. It comes in two different types: the Skeenpoint Glow Radiance Brightening Body Lotion and the Skeenpoint Glow Booster Lightening Body Lotion. These are the type of lotion you need to get this Ember month, this Xmas, for your skin to glow. Okay, let me start with this particular pink one. This pink one helps to brighten your skin. It is for fair people. If you're fair in complexion, if you're caramel skin, you have dark spots, you want to lighten your skin, you get this particular lotion. It contains alpha arbutin, kojic acid, shea butter, and Lotion, which will help to tone your skin, lighten up your skin. It contains titanium dioxide, which is the sun protection, which helps to protect your skin from sun damage. So before I go into the people's comment, people who have used this lotion, what they said, let me quickly explain the blue container, which is the Glow and Radiant Brightening Body Lotion. This particular blue container is for those that are dark in complexion, chocolate skin, people with uneven skin tone, those who wants to brighten their complexion, those who wants to glow their complexion as well can use this particular lotion. And if you're having a sensitive skin, you can as well use this lotion. It is for all skin types. If you're fair in complexion and you're having a sensitive skin, you can as well use this particular lotion. Okay, let's go into the people's comments. Someone else who wants to use this lotion is asking, I have stretch marks, can I use it? Okay, if you have stretch marks and you want to lighten up or you want to brighten your skin, you can use any of the lotion depending on what you want. If you want to brighten your skin or if you want to lighten your skin, depending on what you want and your complexion, you can go for any of the lotion. The two lotions contains aloe vera, shea butter, vitamin E, grassland that helps to heal stretch marks. Yes. Someone else is asking, is it good for face? Please, this is a body lotion. You know, the creams that are in the market, the latest cream that are in market now, they are all for body. Yes, that is why we have face creams. So they have face cream as well. You can as well check their face creams available, or my next video I'll be showing you guys the best face cream you can use. So if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Someone else who is currently using the lotion said, I'm not leaving that pink one anytime soon. Omo, I love it. As you can see, this pink bottle is very nice. It is mild on skin, contains SPF 30. So if you want to lighten your skin, rush and get this lotion. This Xmas go dey hot. Another person who is using this lotion said, the pink one is the game changer. I'm using it with the Glow Booster body oil. Omo, my skin is giving, very moisturizing and hydrating. This lotion, guys, is very nice. And if you want to know all about the oil, check my previous video. So if you want to glow your skin, to brighten your skin very fast, get this pink container. Yes, the blue container is for those that are sensitive skin, dark in complexion, that wants to brighten their dark skin. You can get the blue container. So guys, that's all for today's video, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification button for you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are the best. See you guys in my next video. Bye.